Hey copy nerds, Carlo here. Today we're gonna see calls to action. Like maybe you have the best copy ever, the best website ever, and the best offer, but your CTA is just not converting. Like the last part, like that the part of the sale, the last part where people say like, yes, I wanna give you money. So we're gonna look at some good examples and then I'm gonna show you a technique, a formula that you can repeat and use to make your calls to action in the best way possible. So let's go. So we're gonna start with the huge one, Netflix. The best calls to action, guys, are the ones that are clear. For me, the most important thing is being clear. What is the product? Because sometimes I see like bunch of pages and products that I don't understand what's happening. Like I don't know what is the product right away, and that should be like the number one concern of every product. Like how are we gonna tell what we do, what we are, and what are people going to get from us, and what is the call to action going to do, like what is gonna happen after this, right? You need to tell people what is the next step, what is going to happen. Like once I take this action that I'm hesitating, what is it going to happen? Like, okay, I know that you guys do unlimited movies, TV shows, and more. I know what's in it for me. Like I'm gonna get all these movies, all these things, right? I can watch anywhere and cancel anytime. They're taking the fear away. But what is gonna happen next? Ready to watch? Enter your email to create or access your account. You see, if I do this, I know that I'm gonna create or access my account, right? Another important thing, guys, about calls to action is having a color that stands out. If the background would have been red, I wouldn't use red, right? You could use white or something that builds a contrast so you can see it better. This is a really good one. You can get it right away. Another good one is Dropbox. They are telling you like here, focus on the work that matters. And then they're telling you like for freelancers and solo work. So you already know if you're a freelancer or a solo worker, you should get this one, get Dropbox. And you see the letters are pretty clear, pretty concise. And the other one, if you're a business or a team of any size, get Dropbox Business. That's it. Clear and to the point. Spotify, get premium free for 1 month, just $9.99 month after, cancel anytime. So they're telling you, okay, you're gonna get the premium for free for 1 month. So they're telling you what you're gonna get and what amount of time, how much does it cost after, and they're taking away all the fear because you cancel anytime. You see, they're taking all the fear away in just one sentence, and they are telling you what's gonna happen next. They're not trying to scam you out. They're not trying to be sneaky, like, okay, he's gonna sign up and then we're gonna charge him. No, they're telling you, like, after this free period, it's gonna be $9.99 and then you can cancel anytime, don't worry, and view plans. So, this call to action is not like right away, give me your credit card. It's more like, okay, you can go and see the plans, right? It's more smooth in this way. This page, I love it. I'm gonna refresh it so you can see it. It's pretty clear. It has like a really nice design. Make it memorable, right? Because we know that a really important thing is to make things that are memorable, that people are gonna remember, that they're gonna remember your page, they're gonna remember your product, right? So we create memorable websites that sell. That's it. Concise and to the point. We partnered with brands like yours. You see, they're talking about you. What are you gonna get to create websites your customer will remember? That's their main thing. Remember, memorable. Vastly improve your key metrics. You see, vastly. This is a power word. It makes you feel like, okay, I'm gonna improve in a vast way, in a huge way. in and display your brand with pride. This is the best one I've ever seen. Like, view our work. You see, view our work, contrast, it's simple. You don't feel like you're making a huge commitment, right? That's the thing, guys. If you remember the persuasion principle from Robert Cialdini, you should make them commit to small things first and then bigger commitments if you want them to pay you. The next one is Evernote. Your notes organized effortless. That's it. Pretty concise and to the point. I could even just jump up and sign up for free. Obviously, always the word free works pretty good. And you see that the background is green, so they used white and green. Take notes anywhere, find information faster, share ideas with anyone, meeting notes, web pages. They're telling you everything that you can do. Note taking app is your focus on you, not on us. We are not this awesome thing. You are gonna get this from us. They're always focusing on the person, and nothing falls through the crack. You see, remember we talked about metaphors. We love metaphors because it makes like a mental images. And through the cracks, we can imagine like something going through the crack, right? Maybe you don't think about it, but that's what happened in your brain. And if you want to do stuff that is memorable, like in this one, you need to build some mental images because we remember more images than words. We remember more feelings than words, things that are out of the normal. Because if they would tell you maybe like nothing falls apart, you're like, okay, that's boring, right? You see the word apart thousands of times. But if they'll tell you like nothing falls through the cracks, that's different. That makes you like a mental image. You're gonna remember it more. In my case, I just remember it. And effortless, such a powerful word, right? They figure out that people who took notes, they felt like it was like such a lot of effort. This was a really good one. Also, manage the team everyone wants to be on. They search their audience and they figure out like, okay, we want to be the team that everyone wants to go in. Office Vibe is the simple platform that lets you master what the great managers do best: develop, trust, collaborate, and drive team performance. Try it free, it's really simple, and then they give you some social proof. Join 50K managers. You see, social proof in case you don't want it and you go down, and then you see this bows, all these companies, all these social proof, some authorities. Square, also really good. Tools to run your business, even when it's not business as usual. Again, another metaphor. It's not business as usual. They find out that their audience knew that expression and get started. Pretty simple. The most simple ones often are the most powerful ones. Prezi, this is great. University research find Prezi more engaging, persuasive, and effective. You see, they're always telling you like three things, three quick things that your product does. So if you're working in an offer, find out what those three things are for one reason only: to be clear and to be memorable. People are more likely to remember just three things. You don't have to bombard them and overwhelm them with huge amounts of benefits. And see how it works. You see, low commitment. It's just, okay, I'm gonna see how it works and see the science behind. So we're not just talking about bullshit. We are talking about science that we know, right? And also they're telling like it's more effective than PowerPoint. This is just brutal. This one was really good, cool. Creative plus logic are work, and you can move it around. Really awesome website. Props to these guys. You see, grow your business faster. That's it. Enter your URL so it feels personalized. It feels like, okay, they're gonna give me something that it's for my website in specific. So they're giving you free value, personalized value just right away. It's just like a free consultation call. You see, when you tell people like, this is my business, this is my offer, and they help you out, this is instantly. Like, if I put my website here, they're probably gonna tell me some value. They're gonna give me some free value, and then they're gonna tell me like, Do you want to take it to the next level? Okay, work with us. See? Small commitment, personalized, quick, easy to read. It's like a really nice website. It's not overwhelming. This one also really good. You see? 3 things. Learn to code, gain a new skill, and get a new job. Whatever your goal will get you there. So we're gonna get you there. Trust us. We're gonna get you from point A to B. Uber, get in the driver's seat and get paid. You're like, what? That gets your attention, right? Drive on the platform, on the ladder, sign up. Normally, they're just really easy, like sign up here, get your free trial here, but we're gonna see some different ones. You see, this one is really huge on emotion because it's a charity, right? So add impact to your inbox. Sign up for your emails and get inspiring stories about clean water delivered straight to your inbox. This is a really emotional one. And I'm gonna show you a funnel, a really nice funnel for this book, Laws of Success. And this call to action, it's really nice because it tells you like yes, less. Like if you're talking to the author, right? I'm ready. Like I'm ready to take this step. I want my book so I can learn the laws of success. It just is not telling you just like buy now, buy here. No, it's telling you like I want to do this. That's a really cool trick to put it in the words of the reader. Like I want the free PDF. I want to sign up. I want to do this. Or yes, give me this. So the person feels like he is the one in charge. He's the one in control. They're not like fooling him. They're not tricking him. I'm taking my own decision. You're not telling me what to do, right? The classic don't tell me what to do. I want my book. Give it to me. Send it to me. All those examples are really powerful. So I'm gonna show you a technique that I use so much that you have probably seen, which is the golden circle, right? If you remember, you need wait, you need to start with why. Why should I get this product, right? What makes this product awesome, different? The 3 things, the 3 power things. How is this gonna achieve that? And then you tell them what is the product at the end, right? The golden circle, the classic one. So I'm gonna show you a live example since I want to be real with you guys to show you. So let's say that I'm like a CEO optimization com see yeah company, let's say, right? So I would tell like why should they buy my SEO optimization company, right? So I would tell them like wouldn't be I would touch like their pain, wouldn't or maybe have the correct offer, the best website, and spend the right amount on traffic. So they're telling you like why, then how. Let's say with simple most websites fail to recognize simple SEO principle like niche like the correct. So we're gonna promise them something, right? Keywords. We could tell keywords like this because they know what we're talking about, and readable content. Entonces you could tell like, yeah, try our free SEO optimization tool. How does this work? Optimization tool. And I could tell like, yes, I want to give it a try. See, really simple. You tell them why, how, and what. Obviously, we can optimize this. This is just like my first draft live going, but it's a cool example so I can give you guys. You could tell them like, this is our 3 benefits. That's why we're different. This is what you are gonna get. And here we're giving some value, right? We're telling like, most websites fail to recognize these simple SEO principles, and you tell them this, and this. You are already giving some value and some curiosity, like, I'm doing this wrong, right? But now, how am I gonna do it, right? So try our free optimization tool. Maybe it can be like, we'll give you like, see, like, we're gonna tell you exactly what you need. Try our SEO station tool for free or something like that. Like, yeah, we're gonna tell you exactly what you need. So this is a really cool technique, guys. Oh, I'm gonna show you once more. This one is really good. This email list from Nival from Copywriting Course, and he's telling you at the end, like, if you want to see more, respond to this email and let me know if you like it. More of these nugget filled emails. Respond with something annoying, like, I want more, I want more, I want. So it's something that it's funny, something that you want to do. So I quickly just click reply and I just type anything that I wanted, like, yeah, I want more, send me more, blah, and just like, so it's something that it's fun, that it's entertaining, right? It's not like other people, like, yeah, reply with your questions and reply and tell me if you want more. No, it's something like, yeah, spam me out, like, give me some spam, tell me that you want more and more. And it's also a cool investment. So that's it for the call to actions, guys. This is the most important part. If you do all the word good, let's say that you do everything awesome, all the copy is good, but your call to action doesn't convert, you need to change it. And one last tip, guys, test and test everything out. Don't be afraid. Change words, change colors, change headlines, and just test it out until it works. So if you want to see more of these free trainings in the future, please subscribe in this bottom up, and thanks for watching.